What it do, two-time gang? Happy holidays to everyone. Merry Christmas and a happy new year. Hopefully everybody got what they wanted. Hopefully everybody was safe. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the time with their family and friends. Hopefully everybody for the New Year's has a New Year's resolution to stay positive. You know, spend time with your family and friends, those who are close to you. Get rid of those who are bad for you. And yeah, man, just stay positive, make money, and enjoy yourself, man. Enjoy life. That's what it's all about. A few updates for this video, which I'm just coming off this with the top of my dome. So, you know, if I skip over something, I may come back to it later on in the video. I do want to thank everybody for the 1,000 subscribers, guys. We finally made it. It's a milestone for us, a huge milestone. I'm now a partner with YouTube. So hopefully my videos will get recommended a little bit more. If you guys can share, like, and comment, and hit that bell notification for future uploads, that'll greatly help out the channel a lot more. Any funds that I do receive from the channel, I will be dumping it into the cars, doing DIY videos, just basically spending it into the channel, so you know we all can grow together. And without further ado, I know when I said when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I was going to tell you guys who actually won the speakers. I will be revealing that next video. So I have to sit down. I have to try to get in contact with this person. I do want to set up a video phone call and everything. And, you know, the only thing that person got to do is pay for shipping. That's it. So speakers are free. The only thing you got to do is pay for shipping. I need to get all of that handled and taken care of, so I'm gonna go to the post office to see how much they are gonna charge, so I can have all of that into play, guys. But yeah, man, thank you guys for hanging in there with me, man. 1,000, actually we got like 1,010, so I'm a little bit late on this video. You know, I've been spending time with the family, and so, you know, I definitely had to come back and talk to you guys, because you guys are family also. So without further ado, man, I greatly appreciate it. And what we're doing today is I'm working on the Buick. I wasn't gonna do this video. I was just gonna go ahead and try to fix it, see what the problem was. But I'm having a little problem with the Buick, nothing mechanical, just a little issue with water on the floorboard. So as you guys can see, I done vacuumed the whole car out, man. This whole side right here was flooded with water. Every time we have big torrential rains, or even little minor rains, man, this floorboard over here get wet. And I'm about sick and tired of having to vacuum this thing out every time. And then, you know, that little mildew smell, and then having to put air fresheners and pull the carpet back, vacuum up all the water and everything. I'm about sick and tired of doing that. So I've actually found the problem, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I've done before we get too deep in the video. So I pulled the carpet back, and just seen that there was a big puddle of water right here, but that's the lowest spot, so nothing is saying that it's coming from there. So if you guys are having this problem, I'm having this problem on the driver's side. If you guys are having it on the passenger side, more than likely it is coming from your cabin air filter, which is located underneath the hood right here, where you see this mold in there, right up underneath the windshield wipers. If you guys can see that, but that black molding right there. So you guys want to take that off. You might want to change your air filter while you at it, and then make like some kind of cover to put over your air filter so that the water can drain off on top of that. That's the case for the guys that's usually having water on the floorboards in the passenger side. Now if you're having it in the back seat, obviously you may have trim problems with your windows, or it may be coming from rust spots up underneath the car. In my case, it was a little bit more difficult to find, but not really. So what I did was I ran a water hose, which I'm gonna do for you guys in just a second. I ran a water hose at the top up here and just let it run all the way down the car. And I actually found out where the water was coming in at. So I'm gonna walk over here and I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water hose on, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just setting the garden hose on top of the car. Now, if you guys have some kind of brand new car, this is just a work vehicle. If you guys got a brand new car, just make sure you take the extra precautions to protect your paint. But just set the garden hose at the top of your car like so. Sometime it'll stay, sometime it won't. You just gotta mess around with it. So I'm setting mine on the top right here and just letting it run all down the side and the front. And so while it's doing that, as you guys can see, the doors closed and everything. Let me place that back. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time. It's a little difficult, but bear with me. Like I said, for you guys that got brand new cars, brand new paint and stuff, you might want to set down a towel or something that protect your paint. But like I said, it's just a work vehicle. I'm gonna eventually get it painted and probably wrapped. Or I may just sell it and get another Vic, you know. I don't really know the plans I got for this vehicle just yet, but while I have it, I do want everything in working order. So as y'all can see, we got the water running on the front and the driver's side door. But what I did notice, so I came over here on the passenger side and I noticed it was running down over here. So you guys can see it right there where it's dripping off at. Look at that. So that's where I'm getting all my water from. So the only thing I gotta do is pull this panel up here, pull that panel up right there, and find out where it's leaking from. But anybody can do that that's having problems and trouble with leaks on their floorboard. She's dripping pretty fast too. So you can just imagine, like any kind of rain, how much water is actually accumulating on this floorboard. So I'm just gonna pull that extra piece of molding off, figure out where it's coming from. If it needs silicone, I'm gonna silicone it. If it needs another part or some piece of molding, you know, then I'll go from there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that in this short video. So gang, that leak is coming from this driver door. It's leaking in here, and then it's coming back behind this molding here. So y'all can see that it needs more glue, and it's just old, man. So once it gets back behind there, it's running down back behind here all the way from the top. It's running all the way back behind here, and it's coming in the inside right there, and then it's dripping down on that one pillar. So it's finding the lowest spot. Since the car is sitting on a slight grade downwards, it's leaking back this way. So that's why I always have all majority of my moisture here, and then like I always have some here too. I guess when this fills up, it started filling this here up. So found the problem. Only thing I gotta do is get some of that gasket sealer from AutoZone. I actually had some before. If you guys check out my old videos, I was using some of that gasket sealer for the Crown Vic. But yeah, another problem solved, guys. So if y'all just follow those steps, that's the only thing you gotta do. So take a water hose. If you got a newer car, worried about the paint, set some towels down, set the garden hose on top of it. Or if you got somebody else there with you, you know, just get them to hold it at a particular spot where you feel like that the water's coming in at. So just fill your carpet, see where the highest spot of the water is, and then start from there. So put the garden hose on the outside of the car and run it down the car, and look up in the inside and see where you see your water dripping from. I know a lot of people got that problem. One of my other friends actually had that problem on his BMW. He got rid of it a long time ago, but we didn't do that to try to figure it out. He actually didn't even ask me to help him. He just got rid of it. So anyway, yeah gang, greatly appreciate you guys, man, for rocking with me. We're gonna have different milestones ahead that we're gonna reach, and then I'm gonna be doing giveaways then. Only doing giveaways to the most active person on my channel. Therefore, guys clicking the like button, guys watching it, guys commenting, you know, to let me know that they was there. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing some bigger giveaways in the near future. The Crown Vic might actually go, man, depending on how far we get down the road with the milestone. But she can be fixed up way more than what she is now. So you guys gonna be getting a pretty well-oiled machine inside and out. Y'all know all the work I've been doing to it from top to bottom. So you're gonna have dag on there a brand new car. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. Man, I appreciate it. And y'all stay tuned for the next video for the giveaway and for what we have in store for 2020, baby. Two-time Moto TV out. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Hopefully y'all have a happy holidays. Peace out.